To clone apps on Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down until we find the security and privacy settings, and then we can scroll down again to more security settings. Here we can find secure folder. You will need to create your secure folder. If you're not sure how to do it, then I've made dedicated video on how to set up secure folder, so you can watch it. Then when you have your secure folder created, you can find it on your home screen, open it, and then if you want to clone an app, click on this plus button, and here we can add whichever app we like, for example a Facebook. So if you decided to add that app, it will be cloned because you have one instance of Facebook right here, and the other instance we can open right here. That way we can see two different Facebooks opened. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.